Hi everyone, I'm Anisa Maharani from 11 Science 8, present number 8 at 16 Senior High School. So today I want to showing you how to make a drink, which that drink has been viral in Indonesia at the beginning of the pandemic. So that drink is Dalgona coffee. Basically, Dalgona coffee is a beverage made by whipping equal proportions of instant coffee powder, sugar, and water until it becomes creamy and then adding it to cold or hot milk. So, we start to make it. Now, for making something, of course you have to prepare some tools and some materials. And for making the Dalgona coffee, you have to prepare some tools. And that's our mixer. And the second tools is spoon. This is for measure the proportions of instant coffee powder, sugar, and water. And the last tools are this receptacle. Now for the materials, you have to prepare instant coffee powder, and I use this because I have tried with another brand of instant coffee powder before, and that's failed. And last time I used this and it works. So for you, if you don't like a failure, you have to just use it, okay? And the second materials is milk, and next is sugar, and then this is ice cube because I'm making in cold milk. And for make it more appealing, I use this chocolate sprinkles for the topping, and I have a store. So we make it. Okay everyone, now I will show you step by step how to make Dalgona coffee. So first, I will pour in this instant coffee to the receptacle. Okay, the coffee is done. And then I will measure the coffee, the sugar, and the water have the same proportions. Now, this is the important part of making Dalgona coffee. The first step is pour the instant coffee powder as much as 2 spoons this at the receptacle. Okay, the second ingredients next is the sugar. Same measure before. 2 spoons of this. One, two, and the last ingredients for making dalgona foam is water. This is 2 spoons. So the ratio of instant coffee powder, sugar, and the water is 1 to 1 to 1, and you can dilute it until these 3 ingredients are blended. Okay, and this is time for we mix it with the mixer. Okay everyone, now it's time for use this mixer. So you have to mixer that's 3 ingredients before until it looks like white cream, so the texture is fluffy and looks like cream. And now I have prepared the timer so we can know together how long it will be dalgona foam. Okay, let's get started. Okay, timer, I will start it. Okay, let's the color start to change. Wow, it's so noisy. Start to fluffy. Okay, I think it's enough and I will stop this mixture. Okay, that's so noisy, everyone. And I think it's enough and it just take its time. Oh my god, this 3 minutes. Okay, now, okay, oh my god, so noisy. Now I will prepare the milk. So, okay, we prepare the milk. Okay, this is the last step. We will plating. So, I will put the ice cube into the glass. Okay, let's start. And then the milk. Okay, all pouring the milk into the glass. Okay, enough. And then the dalgona foam I'll put into this glass and put above the ice cube and the milk. Yay! Okay guys, everyone, enough. And the topping, we have the chocolate sprinkles. Okay, these chocolate sprinkles. We just need a little. the store. Yay! Finish everyone, finish! And this is the last look like. Yeah, thank you everyone. Hope you can follow my steps to make this. Okay, goodbye. Thank you.